Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one of the best way to convert your text into speech or say audio. So I have tried a lot of like different tools. Even 11 labs also I have tried it, but it's like after 3 to 5 audio you need to get their subscription or say pro version. So the app that I'm sharing, it's like you can even convert like from text to speech thousand of like of your content, but you need not to take there's any kind of subscription you need not to take. So the app is this. You can see this Narakeet. Okay, you can read the website narakeet.com. Okay, so here all you need to do, just write your script like here you can see, then click on create audio. Okay, so after clicking on create audio you can see this.
Having trouble acing interviews and landing your dream job?
Okay,
Exhausted?
now suppose if you want to maybe change the audio, or maybe man, women, or different names are there, so you can just go for this thing, and from there you can pick up any character that you feel will go great with your content. Okay, so let's go with Sonam, and now let's try it. So yesterday I tried around, I think, 12 to 15 like speech to audio, and now also this is my second, and you can see I need not to pay anything. They are not at all asking me to get their pro version.
Having trouble acing interviews and landing your dream job? Exhausted from
Okay,
applying to...
once you are done with this, what you need to do, after the sound button you can see three dot, click on three dot, go for download. Okay, and after downloading, okay, you can just go to your downloads, and from there you can see this. Here you can see all this that I downloaded yesterday. So yeah, this is one of the great apps that I observed, or say that I explored within this journey of my exploring apps. So I hope this video is going to be so much helpful for you guys. So yeah, just stay tuned. Bye, take care.